Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 17 in A exercises of James Stewart Calculus 8th edition. So we are asked to solve the inequality, then indicate the solution on a number line. So this is a given question. Now we want to move all terms with a variable to one side, preferably the left, and now I'll move this 5 to this side. So you're free to move your values in any direction, just like you would if you had an equal sign in between the expressions. So if I move the 5 this side and the 1 that side at the same time, then this would be the result. I'm just writing all of these steps just so you see what is happening. You don't necessarily have to do. So I move the 5 to the left and the 1 to the right, and each of them now I have different signs. On this side, I now have negative 3x. This side, I have negative 9x. Now, with inequalities, whenever you divide or multiply by a negative, the sign or the side which the inequality faces basically changes as well. So now, if I divide both sides by negative 3, so I only have x on that side, then this will give x on this side, and since I divided by a negative, this will change to this sign, which is greater than, and that is 3. So now our answer is x greater than 3. That solves this inequality. And to show this on a number line, you're basically just going to have a number line and an arrow which goes in the right. And that means that we are considering values which are greater than 3. And that dot just indicates that 3 is not part of the solution. So you can even try it. So if we substitute 3 in here, then we have 6 plus 1, which is 7. If we substitute 3 in here, we have 15 minus 8, which is 7. And the inequality does not hold because it has less than. So it basically says the left-hand side is less than the right-hand side. So 7 is not less than 7. It's exactly the same thing. And that is why 3 is not part of the solution. But any other number which is greater than 3, let's say 4 or any number which is greater than 3. Let's use 4. It's a simple example. So using 4, substituting 4 there, we have 8 plus 1. This will now be 9. Substituting 4 there, that's 20 minus 8, that is 12. And 9 is indeed less than 12. So that solves this inequality.